Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Good morning, children, and welcome to pre-nursery class. Now, in pre-nursery class, we want to learn a topic called mathematics. I want to learn how to count our 1 to 10. How to count our 1 to what? 10. Now, we have, if we sing it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have a song for reading our 1 to 10. I have what? A song for reading our 1 to 10. Now sing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. Now let's sing it again. Are we ready? Now follow me what I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now you can read your numbers 1 to 10. Now we want to learn how to write 1 to 3. 1 to what? 3. Now we said number 1 is represented as a stroke. A stroke will give us number 1. Everybody say it. A stroke number 1. A stroke number 1. Now number 2, we have a word. We have a word, front curve and a dash. Now can we say it? Front curve and a dash. Now number 2 is what? A front curve and a dash. Again, a front curve and a dash. Now number 3, a front curve and another front curve. Let's do it. A front curve and another front curve. Now number 1 is a stroke. Number 2 is a front curve and a dash. And number 3 is a front curve and another front curve. Now this is a front curve, not this. This is called a what? Back curve. This is called a what? Back curve. This is called a front curve. Now number 2 is front curve and a dash. A front curve and a dash is number 2. Now, so remember, when you want to write your number 2, you remember that number 2 is a front curve and a dash. A front curve and a dash. And your number 1 is a stroke. Your number 1 is a what? Stroke. Number 3 is a front curve and another front curve. We write it again. A front curve and another front curve. A front curve and another front curve. That is the number 3. Now, remember we counted our 1 to 10 and we learned to write our 1 to 3. Now, I want you to go home and learn to write your 1 2 3. Now, for something to guide you, I'm going to give you the words, signs, the symbols. So you're going to what? Join them. You're going to do what? Join them. Now, this is, you're going to join the signs. Now, we have stroke as number 1. Now you're going to write number 1 here for me. You're going to write number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1, number 1. Now, this is a front curve, a dash. Now you're going to write what it is here. You're going to join it. You're going to do what? Join it. And the last one is front curve and another front curve, which is number 3. You will join it and you will give me this. Now let me show you an example. This is number 1. You give me a stroke, a stroke, a stroke, a stroke, a stroke. Now number 2, you have your front curve, then you come and you join this dash. You do it again, your front curve, you join your dash. Your front curve and you join your dash. That gives you number 2. A front curve and you join your dash. A front curve and you join your dash. This gives you number 2. Now this sign, a front curve and a front curve, give you, when you join them, gives you number 3. A front curve and you join the other front curve and you have your number 3. Front curve, number 3. A front curve, another front curve. You have your number 3. A front curve, another front curve. You have your number 3. A front curve, another front curve. You have your number 3. Now this is how you join the what? Signs. This is how you join the signs. So whenever you see a front curve up and a front curve down, it's number 3. It's number what? 3. And when you see a front curve up and a dash down, that is number 2. So this is how you write 1, 2, and 3. Now, children, this is it for today's class. In the next class, we're going to repeat our counting, and we're going to learn how to write more numbers. Now we're going to learn how to write these numbers without using the symbols, without using the word symbols. Alright, children, stay blessed, stay safe. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.